because this is how you use your dishwasher. Okay, so firstly you want to open up the dishwasher. Secondly, once you've loaded it, you want to find a dishwashing tablet which is located under the sink. So I've got one here. What you want to do is just pop it into this drawer here, close it up, and then it's pretty simple. What you want to do is press the on button, select the program by pressing P. So we'd recommend you keep it on the eco setting. And all you need to do there is just shut the dishwasher and you'll start to wash.